We celebrate the dreamers, the visionaries, and those who are never satisfied with the status quo. METAWOOD is one of the world's leading providers of turnkey shop fitting solutions. We leverage state-of-the-art technology and innovation, large-scale manufacturing capabilities, highly skilled professionals, and an unwavering commitment to superior customer care, working together with our customers to create the best stores in the world. Our in-house production and development solutions are all under one roof, providing streamlined shop fitting services for a wide range of market segments. We specialize in all types of retail, from fashion, jewelry, and cosmetics, to duty-free, department, and luxury stores. With a strong focus on sustainability, we're able to create innovative retail shop fitting solutions that bring visions to reality. Launching more than 1,500 stores around the globe each year, we're proud to be partners with some of the world's leading brands. We are METAWOOD, where quality, craftsmanship, and innovation come together with our customers to create and implement unique store concepts. And with logistics over the road, ocean, and air, our complete worldwide installation services carry through with our core values of superior quality, unsurpassed customer care, and attention to detail, which guide us through each phase of the shop fitting process. Dream, imagine, inspire. METAWOOD's expertise, technology, and resources, working together with our customers, will help realize unique retail experiences all over the world. We are METAWOOD.